love you.
Hello guys, if you're new here, you're watching House of Love with no other person else but Bianca Love Aim. In this house, we discuss talents with nothing else but love. So if you feel like you want to belong to this great family, you can just go ahead and strike on the red subscribe button down below and also on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you to you guys. You guys are just so amazing. God bless you guys. So today on the menu, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make vegetable salad. So for the ingredients, we have one small quantity of lettuce. We have avocado, one small avocado, one large tomato, one small purple cabbage, and a white cabbage. Is it white or green cabbage as well? And then we have 4 carrots. I love carrots so much, that's why it's much. And then one cucumber, and of course one boiled eggs. But for this recipe, I'm going to be using 4 boiled eggs, so I'm going to add 3 eggs later on. So guys, that's it. So just go along with me and watch me slice the cabbage and do the dressing stuff.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar.